Mrs. LaBeau here. We have some fun for fine motor. This is a piece of paper that is usually in our classroom here at school. And I thought this is a perfect thing to try at home too. All you need is a piece of paper. It can be scratch paper, big paper, little paper, colored paper, just any piece of paper will work. And then use one of your markers, and you can have a grown-up help you. A grown-up or a big person, big brother, big sister. What you need to do is make some lines across one side, and these are good for snipping. Now snipping, here's my scissors. Thumb in the little hole, 2 fingers in the other. So I'll show you snipping. Snipping, you're gonna line your scissors up and cut, and that's it. It's not a big cut, it's a snip. Line it up and snip. Snip it and stop. Oh, this one is a little bit bigger, so I can do a couple of snips. This one is even a little longer. Okay, so once you can snip, and that means stopping at the end of the line, then you can move on to a line like this. This one. This line is a little bit longer, so we're going to have to cut. We're going to have to snip with forward motion. So we're going to snip and keep going. I'm going to go all the way up to the top. And when I get to the top, I'm going to stop. Oh, I'm almost there. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I cut right on the line all the way up to the top, and then I stopped. All right, if you're ready for another challenge, this one. So this line goes all the way from one edge to the other, all the way up. So this is kind of a long one, right? These were short, but this one is long. And we're going to go all the way up to the top and cut right on through. We don't need to stop. So I'm going to line up my scissors, and I'm going to use my open shut them all the way up to the top. I'm staying on that line. Oh, did you see that? I have a whole separate piece, and I'm going to keep this piece for something else. Now, if you can do that, look at this. Here's some more practice. This is really big kid stuff. Here's some fancier lines. So here's some more places to practice stopping. Practice stopping. Here's a curve and kind of a zigzag line. These are going to be trickier. I'm going to do the curve. So look at how my scissors, it's not just up anymore. I'm going to kind of use this hand to turn the paper, and my scissors are always going to be up. Let's see. Oh, I need to turn with this hand. See how I'm kind of turning the paper so that I can cut on the line just how I want to. There, look at that. And of course, this can be done, you know, you don't have to hold your piece of paper up like this. I'm just doing that so you can see. Your paper will be down more like this, kind of on your table. All right, I'm going to turn the paper so that I have it. Oh, there's an edge. So I'm going to kind of turn the paper this way. See, my scissors don't really move. My scissors are always pointing up. It's this hand that's moving the paper. It takes 2 hands for cutting, that's for sure. All right, I'm going to cut and stop. So this, look at all this cutting I did. Okay, but now I'm going to give you a little hint. Tomorrow, for your activity for tomorrow, you're going to need lots of pieces of paper like this. So I'm going to go ahead and go back and kind of cut through some of these lines. So I'm going to keep on cutting. Oh, now I have another piece, and I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it for tomorrow. Let's see, what if I did some zigzags. What if I just kind of keep going on this zigzag here? Oh, look at that piece. If I wanted, I could even keep cutting. Maybe I could separate this one out into 2 pieces. Ooh, I have a long rectangle and then this funny shape. Oh, look at if I finish the curve on this. Whoa, look at that. And I still have some lines here that I can cut, so I'll start here and I'll go up, up, up. I stopped, but now I want to keep going. All right, we will attach what this piece of paper looks like into Seesaw on another slide. So if you want, you could kind of use that to see how it looks. Here's all my pieces. I'm going to keep them together in a nice pile for tomorrow. And I'll give you a hint. You'll need these and glue, either a glue stick or a glue bottle, and then another scratch piece of paper. It can be a scratch piece of paper. It can be whatever you can find. All right. Have fun with cutting. Bye.